If you're having problems with the button inputs on your Guitar Hero guitars, chances are you've either worn out the buttons or you've spilt something on there and it's causing issues here. But it could be an easy fix. It could be where the head of the guitar meets the body of the guitar, because there's a load of contacts down here. So try this one first. Just go to the unlock position on the bottom of your guitar and take out the head, and you can see now that we have on this one, it's nice and easy, we've got these nice gold contacts just here that we can clean. So get yourself a cotton bud or a Q-tip and give them a good rub. If you've got something like isopropyl alcohol, even better, because that cleans electronics very nicely, and then you can just rub that all along here. And also you can go in here and you will see that there's little pins down here. They're kind of spring-loaded pins, and that then will allow you to just gently clean them as well. So if you clean both sides, then that might well cause the problem to go away, and then you just click it back into place like so. Other guitars are a little bit harder to do, so if we have a look at this one, you can see that on this one it's like a kind of a plug connection. You can't actually see the contacts, but you can still put a bit of isopropyl in here and give that a clean, but it's going to be very hard to actually get to the contacts on this one, so this is a harder one to clean. And also you can try to drop a little bit of isopropyl alcohol into the male port down there. Also, by simply unplugging and plugging in numerous times, so by doing this, keeping your thumb there and just doing this numerous times. Remember, if it's not working, you can't make it any worse. If it's broken, it's broken. If you can't fix it, you can't fix it. If you do this a few times, you might find that that might actually clean up the pins and it might start working. And just to show you one more, because there's all different sorts of connections on these, and on this one here, you can see that we have that type of connection there. Again, a lot harder than the Wii Les Paul guitar that I showed you to begin with, but still possible to clean if you have some isopropyl alcohol or contact cleaner, spray contact cleaner in here. On this one you can see you can get to the pins here nice and easy, so you can give them a clean there, like so. Hopefully that might well fix your issue. If not, obviously you have options to undo the screws from the head here, which will give you access to the buttons. So you can see each of them have screws, and then you can get access to the buttons, and you might be able to clean them with isopropyl alcohol. Hopefully that might help you out. Thanks for watching.